All right, y'all. This your girl Kenny with Flossie Blanks. About to show y'all how to make a custom baby box out of the items you can get from Flossie Blanks for your sublimation needs. But let me show y'all how to do this piggy bank real quick. This piggy bank is a ceramic bank. The size is 10.35 by 4 for the design size. You go ahead and wrap it up like you would any type of mug, tumbler, anything like that. And I use my mug press 240 seconds, 400 degrees. This mug press has always been down for me. I do have a Cricut mug press, but I'm not sure if I ever want to unbox that. I did turn this piggy bank after the first 240 seconds, and I think I only let it go for 180 more seconds, which I should have just let it go to 240. But I was thinking maybe it was going to burn. It did not burn. It actually came out very nice. But this mug press, you can use it for regular mugs. You can use it for tumblers too, but you will have to do the tumbler, turn the tumbler a couple of times to get it all together. So this box came from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby sells these in 4-pack sometimes. Just buy the little box. I cleaned it off with alcohol before I put this vinyl down. This vinyl is permanent adhesive vinyl. It normally goes on tumblers, hard surfaces, stuff like that. So I had to use my transfer tape. I had 2 transfer tapes here. I had a Cricut one that's really sticky, and then I have my old school. I think this is Paper Source transfer paper, but I'm not sure. So I know that the vinyl is Paper Source, but I'm not sure about the transfer paper. So I had to use my sticky Cricut transfer paper for this one because it needed a little more stickiness to get it off the paper. I used the other transfer paper for the baby design, so I went on and that came out pretty easy. Because vinyl, sometimes you have vinyl that needs a little bit more adhesive on the transfer paper, and some vinyl don't need all that adhesive because it's hard to take it off. But otherwise, you just put your little paper in the box. We put some confetti in the box. We put some wipes in the box, and this is us putting it together. We got from Flossie Blanks, we do have the all white onesie. We did sublimate that whole all over onesie. We do have a bleach baby onesie. We did sublimate the middle of that. That blue one is one that we just put regular vinyl in. We have burp cloths. We have bibs, we have the double lid sippy cups, we have bottles, and we have the piggy bank. We have the pacifiers as well with different colors. We have silver, rose gold, gold, and black. I put my instructions on how to use it, a little congratulation card. We put these little cute little shoes in there that we found from Dollar Tree. You close that bad boy up, and then I got some more little bowls from Dollar Tree, and I just put them on there. And there, boom, you have a custom baby box. And these are some #1 sellers. Y'all better get on this train. And this is some of the items that went in there. That piggy bank is ceramic. This is the baby box all finished. It's super cute. Shop Flossie Blanks. Follow us for more tips and tutorials, and we are going to teach you how to sublimate if you don't know how. Have a good night.